The Hall effect sensor module is designed to detect magnetic fields and their polarity, providing both digital and analog outputs. Compact and versatile, it is commonly used in applications ranging from position sensing to speed detection in motor S, making it ideal for robotics, automation, and educational projects. The Hall effect sensor module operates based on the Hall effect principle, which generates a voltage difference across a conductive material when it is exposed to a magnetic field. This voltage is then conditioned and amplified by onboard circuitry. The module can provide both analog and digital outputs, indicating the strength and/or presence of a magnetic field. Basic functioning involves detecting magnetic field through a Hall element, converting the Hall voltage to a usable analog or digital signal, outputting the conditioned signal for further processing or decision-making. The sensor can be easily interfaced with various microcontrollers, such as Arduino and Raspberry Pi, via analog or digital I/O pins. To conclude, the Hall effect sensor module is a reliable and simple solution for magnetic field detection. Its wide range of applications from RPM measurement to switch activation makes it a versatile addition to any project.